Welcome back to PC Error Detective. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to sync OneDrive in Windows 10, so you can keep all your files up to date across your devices. Step 1. First, click on the OneDrive icon in your taskbar. This icon is usually located at the bottom right of your screen, and it gives you quick access to your OneDrive files and settings. Step 2. Next, click on the Settings icon, which looks like a small gear, and then select Settings. This opens the main OneDrive settings window where you can manage your accounts and sync options. Step 3. In the left-hand navigation of the settings window, select Account. This section lets you view your connected accounts and manage which folders are synced to your computer. Step 4. Now, click on Choose Folders. This option allows you to select exactly which files and folders you want to sync to your PC, helping you save space and stay organized. Step 5. Make sure to tick the box at the top that says to make all files available. This ensures that every file in your OneDrive is synced to your computer and accessible offline if needed. Step 6. Finally, click OK to save your changes and check if syncing works. Once synced, your files will automatically update between your PC and OneDrive, keeping everything current and backed up. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tips.